Hi all of my gorgeous people out there, I'm Amina over here and today I plan to do this thing wherein people want to get groomed during quarantine. So I thought why not just share with you the thing that I do. So what I do is I pluck my eyebrows and I remove my rest of my hair using one single blade razor that I have. So I'm gonna show you because I have a lot of peach fuzz which cannot be seen in camera, but I do have, and there's a lot of mushy that's growing on. So I thought I just wanted it to grow so that you people can see. I don't think camera can capture it, but I got little babies over there. So I'm gonna like first push back all of your hair. You don't want excess hair to like go off somewhere. I have been like shaving for a very long time, and people have this myth saying that oh, shaving can cause thicker hair to grow back. That is utter bullshit, okay? That is utter bullshit because I'll tell you the reasons why. First and foremost, it depends on person to person, but for me, it has never grown. I have been doing this past 11 years and I have never had a thicker hair growth. Like, I just have peach fuzz, but I don't have like thick hair. I've been doing this technique for like 11 years, so I'm sharing it. See, if I don't find it, good, I'm not going to share it with you. So whatever hair growth you have already had, you're going to get back the same hair growth. I have recommended this technique to a lot of people and they too have said that, it doesn't grow back thick at all. Once you remove the hair on your face, your skin becomes, first, it becomes brighter than it was usually when you had hair on. Second, these are all my personal experiences, huh? Don't come behind of me and say that, oh, you said this, we did this, and girl, it's all subjective. What may be for me might not be for you, but for me, with personal experience, I'm telling you that this actually gives instant brightness. Like, I have seen a world of difference. Like, whenever I shave my face like this, it automatically like glows, and it gives a very clean canvas for putting makeup on, and the makeup also like sits in so beautifully when you like remove the hair. So be gentle with yourself. Be really gentle with yourself. Don't go slowly like this. This is what you're gonna do. Don't like strain it on your skin. One more thing you gotta keep in your mind is where all you have pimples, don't shave over your pimples. Girl, you're not gonna do that. I'm gonna shave only this area. I'm not gonna go on top of it and shave it. So don't be scared about the redness that's gonna happen, that's gonna go off once you like wash your face. It's gonna like disappear like a 10 minutes. Just because they're having some friction is happening over here, it's happening that way. For the main thing, you need two things, that is like for grooming. You can take these single blade razors. I have this which comes with a comb as well as a single blade, so it's easier for you to like and then just so. And then I have a tweezer with me, our regular old school tweezer. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a moisturizer. Usually people take soaps and face washes, but I feel using a moisturizer has its own effect because one, I am a very dry skin type and I like my skin to be really moisturized. For being moisturized, and now if I'm gonna like run a blade through my face, it's gonna become drier. So for that, I'm going to prevent that, and I'm going to use a moisturizer to give me back that, retain that hydration, little bit of hydration that I have on my face. So I'm going to take the Coco Nourish moisturizer. I'm going to take that a little bit on my hand, and I'm going to like literally I'm going to like drown myself in this. Just where all you get hair, you gotta do that. You just need to like wet your skin, so take a little more of a moisturizer. You should feel your skin is like drowning in moisturizer. Look at that. So put that much of moisturizer, and where all you want to like pluck out or remove your hair, extra hair. So I'm gonna go directly in my face first. So for my face, I'm gonna take this side of the razor, this one, and so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come a little bit closer to you so that you can see properly what I'm gonna do. So if this is the face, I'm gonna keep it little bit reclining like this, and then that's it. So you gotta push that like that. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna do that. All the icky stuff comes out. I don't want to show it to you, you'll feel gross. But you can instantly see that this side is become a little bit brighter. Let's go on to the much much. So now moving ahead for the forehead. Again, I'll come closer. I have little baby hairs over here. I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to also, like, you can see there are hair growing over here and here. So I'm going to remove all of that. So once that's done, I'm like a little bit I feel very clean and very nice. So you can touch yourself also, so you can see in a mirror which is extremely zoomed in, that you know whether all the skin is clear. If not, you can go ahead more. So once that's done, you can instantly see how bright and how clean your skin is. It's so clean and so nice. The lower this thing I'm gonna pluck. People who are comfortable doing with the razor, you can do it. I'm more comfortable with plucking, so I'm gonna do that. So these are my brows. They will be uneven because I have never gone and done it in a parlor, because I am very scared of threading. I prefer plucking and shaving my brows. So this is it, guys. This is how you can like keep yourself really good, shaven and nice and clean. And you get these razors in any fancy stores, or you can get it in Amazon. They come, I think it's called Tinkle, I'm not sure. They come in a set of 3. Link in everything in the description box. People won't have a difficulty to go and search for it, and Amazon is now delivering. That's a huge relief, I tell you. Amazon is delivering, so please do go check it out and buy your things. I'll be right back. Wash my face and be right back. So guys, I'm back. I washed my face really well. You have to wash your face really well, and so that you know all the dead skin and all the hair that's come out, you gotta do it. So just see how fresh, instantly how fresh and how nice you look. And I'm now gonna again moisturize, because obviously after washing your moisturizer has just vanished in air. So moisturization, I'm gonna take the Biotique Dandelion serum. So, and I'm gonna like apply it all over my face. This is a very lightweight serum, so I like it during the night times. So once that's done, I'm gonna go take the Nivea. I'm gonna take the Nivea and I'm gonna apply it. This is like done. I always have a stock up of this. I have one lying in my bag. So for body hair, now that we cannot go to a parlor and get our underarms wax, what we can do is we can buy a razor for now. So I'm telling you guys, all keep your underarms and your coochies clean and hair free, and at least trim your underarm hair and your coochie hair. And you can go to a local general market store and you can get this razors. These are really good. I actually showed in my hygiene video. This is the Gillette razor and you get it for 10-15 bucks, guys. Just shave your underarms, like keep your underarms hair free. You will not smell the whole day. You will be fresh, because when you have underarm hair you tend to smell a lot more than generally. So it's always better to keep your underarms clean and your coochies also clean, because of hygiene reasons. You tend to collect a lot of bacteria in closed spaces like your underarms, your coochies and all the other places. So please do keep them clean, fresh and all these things. So please, and have a bath also every day. I like mention this every time, just have a bath every single day. I understand, because even I sometimes feel very lazy to go and have a bath, but I push myself to go have a bath. Few markets are open out there and few markets are having even like 2-in-1, like a general store as well as a fancy store in one shop under one roof. So there you will get the tweezers, as well as I think you will get this also. Now even in the lockdown you're getting all this, because I got this during the lockdown. Even this, I had forgotten all these at my house. I'm at my uncle's place, so I forgot all of this at my place, and I'd gone to the shop nearby just to buy my general stuff, soap, shampoo and all that stuff. And then I'm like, oh my god, I need that, and it was like a 2-in-1 fancy store as well as a fancy store as well as a grocery store and a general market, supermarket. So few shops have these things, so people can get it, and it's very inexpensive. It's very inexpensive. Like three of these will not cost you more than like 150 to 200 bucks, 3, and you can use this maximum for 3 months. Each you can use for 3 months. So do discard them after 3 months. And if you're still uncomfortable with shaving your underarms, buy the wax strips. You get wax strips and cut them, and see the height of your underarm and cut the wax strip accordingly. And then you can heat it up between your palms. Keep it like, lift your hand the highest, and when it is highest, your skin is fully stretched, you can put it like this and then rub it here and just pull it off. So I had tried all these techniques I've tried in my teenagehood, and I think shaving is the best. It doesn't grow back thicker for me, and I am okay with shaving once in 3 days, once in 2 days, because I don't mind being hygienic and clean. So yeah, that is it, guys. This is how you can keep yourself hair free. I hope you like this video. If you do, please do like, share and comment. And if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. And thank you so much. I am also on Instagram, so my handle will be down in the description box. So please do go follow me over there also. Post over there also almost every day. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Love you all.